Welcome, welcome, welcome to Correct Science. Today we are going to explore the concept anatomical planes. Second video of anatomy series. Let's dig into it. So when we talk of anatomical planes, what comes to mind? Look at this picture. It's as though we are cutting this person into several segments or sections. Well, I mean, it's imaginary, so we don't actually cut through the person. So anatomical planes are hypothetical planes used to describe the location of structures in the human body. Very important. So we have the sagittal plane, the coronal plane, and the transverse plane. What are they? So we'll start with the sagittal plane. The sagittal plane is a vertical plane, as we can see here. And what does it do? It divides into left and right sections. Now, when this division is done equally, and that plane is called the mid-sagittal plane or the median plane. The mid-sagittal plane or the median plane. Okay. Now, here what do we see? We see the front and back of a human being. When something does this, we call this the coronal plane. It's also known as the frontal plane. So as you can see both the front and the back. So it's the frontal plane. It allows you to see the frontal plane. There's also a vertical plane which passes through the body longitudinally, but this time around it's perpendicular to the sagittal plane. So here it divides the body into front section and the back section. The front is known as the anterior section and the back is known as the posterior. So I'm sure you heard of these terms. All this is possible because of these anatomical planes. But you may wonder, why is it called the coronal plane? I'm expecting your answers in the comment field. Now go to transverse plane. Transverse. The word transverse gives us an idea. So this one is a horizontal plane which passes through the body at right angles to the longitudinal axis and parallel to the ground, as you can clearly see in this image. So it divides the body into an upper section and a lower section. Now anything found above, we are saying is superior. Or sometimes you hear the word cephalad, that is towards the head. And anything lower, we say is inferior. Sometimes you hear the term caudal. Later I'll talk more about this. It's also known as the axial or the transaxial plane. Thank you very much for your time. We'll be digging more into anatomical terminologies. Thank you.